Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, June the 10th, I do believe. Man, I feel really bad. I woke up relatively early for once today, and it was such a nice morning. I went out in the car, did a little joyride, and then went to a restaurant for some bacon and eggs. I'm in the middle of my meal, and I get a text message from Sean, who is the other C63 owner, and he asked if I was showing up to the dyno, and I totally forgot that this morning at 11, myself, Sean, and I do believe Brad were all taking our C63s and getting them dynoed together. I immediately asked my waiter for the check, and I beelined it home to grab my camera, and now I'm on my way to the place to get this car dynoed. I can't wait. I'm excited. I feel really bad. It was supposed to happen yesterday, and then it got rescheduled, so in my mind, I don't know what was going on, but either way, that's where we're going. We'll see you guys when I get there, and I can't wait to finally put down some numbers on the Nightmare. So we'll see you guys when I get there. All right, guys, I have finally made it late. They've already done 2 runs with Sean's C63. This is the 2017. It's got downpipes. Okay, Eurocharge tuning and downpipes. Mine are WiseTech. And the other differences between mine and his, I got the carbon fiber air boxes, the VTA adapters, and that's it, right? Very similar tires too. It's not like they're gonna make a difference, but everything else. Oh, can you? What do we get here on the first couple runs?
505 to the wheels, and then 572 torque.
Okay, 505 to the wheels and 572 torque. Not bad. Not bad. All right, let's get the third one going. All right, here we go. It's gonna be the third run. It's gonna get loud in here. Damn. So we have there 508 and 578 torque. Oh yeah. So I've had a few people ask about this red color. This is actually not available on any C63. Sean ended up working something out with Mercedes. I think that there was something going on with the whole ordering process, and they made it up to him by giving him this color is available on other models, but it is not a color you can pick from factory. So to my knowledge, he is the only one with a red C63 from factory. Now obviously you can paint your C63 whatever you want, but that was what makes his 2017 C63S unique among all of other ones. All right, so Sean is pulling out. Next we got Brad C63, the W204 model. Also got a whole bunch of modifications as well, so we're gonna be, and then we've got a stock C63 W204 that's going in, and I'm going in, so we're actually gonna do 4 C63s, and Sean is pretty happy with the outcome there. Once again, 578 torque, which is real nice, and max power is a 507.85, which is just over 600 horsepower. So pretty awesome. So what is all done to this?
Long tube headers, the robe air boxes, high flow filters, and a Eurocharge V7 tune.
Oof. So it's pretty much maxed out. Like you could put on...
For naturally aspirated, you could supercharge it and get 730 to the wheels on E85 and meth injection, but as of right now, with naturally aspirated,
yeah,
it's maxed out.
Sweet. There it is for all you 6.3 lovers. This thing's loud. This thing is very loud. .466 horsepower, and the torque is not picking up on this model, on this dyno. Got a little fireworks show there. 470. 470. All right, so this is up next. It's the 507. Isn't that sexy? Love the spec on this, man. Just the white and black. Love it. So we're getting her all strapped up. He just got this. It's stock. It's only got 14,000 kilometers on it, 2015. Look at that. .422. 422. Verdict is 434. So there it is. 507.
What'd you get there?
434.
Awesome. Yeah.
All right, guys, the Nightmare is up on the dyno. Getting all strapped in. It's dirty as hell. Like I said, I forgot that we were doing this dyno today, so I did not wash her, but it's on there nonetheless. There she is. And we're gonna see what numbers we post. I'm very excited and nervous. All right, so right now he's just putting it into dyno mode. Roller test, there we go. And we're good. Turn her on. We're good. Run number 2. First one was 520. All right, so that run was not as good. It was at 517. It says the car's really warm right now, so we're gonna let it cool down. All right, so the first 2 runs, we did it in 4th gear and up, and we're gonna do 5th gear now, so we're gonna push it a little harder. And then we're gonna do a top speed for you guys. Sadly, we still can't get the torque. So we got 524 that run. Definitely better run. He's sinking around 590s for torque. But once again, we cannot see it. It just will not hook up to the car. Likely because of the tune.
Ready? Go.
God damn.
320.
320.
Holy fuck. 320.
320. We had room. Oh yeah, we bottled it.
Oh, easy.
Easy. I mean,
That was in 6th gear.
6th?
Yeah, not even 7th.
Holy shit. All right, so there it is on today's run. Our best was 524. I'll go over all the pieces of paper here too. Sweet, man.
That's yours.
That's the best one? Yeah. All right, so here we are. This is the final product of all 4 C63s. Now, keep in mind that we're all running on 91 octane, and we've got really shitty 91 octane. So, you know, with better gas, we definitely would post some better numbers. But everybody's pretty happy with the results. Mine came in at the max power of 524, and in second place we've got Sean's red 2017 C63S at 507.85. And we also have the, all right, so yeah, the 507 stock got 434. And Brad's tuned up 6.3 got 470, which is impressive in and itself. So there it is. That is the dyno results. And hopefully you guys will enjoy the top speed as well. All right, everyone, I am officially on my way home. What a fun afternoon that was. First and foremost, I want to give a shout out to TTL Auto in Sackville. That was the shop name that we got our cars dynoed. They were patient. They enjoy cars. They got us all in at the same time, so that was a lot of fun. If you guys are in the area and you want to get your car dynoed, make sure to go and check them out. So just to recap over everything that happened, we got to see the 507, which I absolutely loved. That was stock. We got to see Brad's 6.3 W204 with all kinds of crazy modifications. That thing is loud. That was flame throwing. It was awesome. And we also got to see Sean's 2017 C63S, the red one, with the Eurocharge tune, and of course my nightmare, the 18 C63S with the WiseTech tune and the carbon fiber air boxes. Now, I will say I am very, very happy with the turnout of the performance of my vehicle. Obviously, I know I can get another 10 to 15 more horsepower to the wheels with better gas. We're all running 91 octane, and our 91 octane here is garbage. So I wasn't going to do any mixes or anything like that. So, you know, I always take that into consideration. And I'm also happy that I posted the best power as well between myself and Sean C63. Not because of ego or anything like that, but just because I put more money into my car. I have the carbon fiber air boxes and the VTA adapters. That's something that his car didn't have. And I do believe he posted 508, and I think my best was 524. So there is a difference. And the carbon fiber air boxes, as it was advertised, it can give up to 30 more horsepower. So they didn't lie. So shout outs to WiseTech. What a great tune. The car's running really, really well. Still no issues. If you guys were ever thinking about getting WiseTech, I definitely give it 2 thumbs up. And it is obvious that we post way better numbers than the car if it was stock, and it better. So there is that. And I got some footage of a Mustang as well. I don't know if it's going to be in this video or another one. So what an awesome afternoon. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. And we will see you all on the next video. Peace out.